What's up, y'all? Good morning, top of the morning to you. Happy Sunday. We are making bricks tomorrow, so we're going to make the executive decision to drive in Little Rock today. We are currently going to go to a Starbucks and do some computer work. I'm probably not going to drink coffee because I'm trying to watch that. And then we have to go to Lowe's, so you excited?
Super excited.
Let's do it. Alright, y'all. We be at the Starbucks, but you'll be proud of me. This is not a coffee. This is a chai tea with steamed heavy cream. Never had one of these before. Pretty good, pretty good. Right now I'm editing a video and Crystal is
drinking coffee and answering Keto Brick DMs.
Yes. Keto Brick release date is getting very, very close, y'all. So get ready for that. It'll be happening before you know it.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I am at the Home Depot. I am getting some more of those bins that we use for all of the Keto Brick stuff. Everything's just been crazy. We got a ton of products coming in. We got a ton of bricks that we're storing. So I gotta go get some more bricks. I gotta go get some more bins and see how many I can get here at the Home Depot. Boom. Alright guys, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Robert. He has no idea that I'm doing this clip, but everyone knows Robert's like hardworking, determined. I mean, he puts in day and night work into all of this business. His clients, his fans, his followers, his YouTube, his podcast. He works literally night and day to get out great content for everyone. I don't really get to praise him very often, except for like on my Instagram and stuff, but I feel like you guys on YouTube need to know how awesome this man is. Like, literally, he works from the moment he wakes up to the moment he goes to bed. At times I'll get jealous because I feel like the business gets more attention than I do, and for that I'm actually grateful, because this is what's building our life. This is what's building our family. This is what is allowing us to do the things that we are able to do. This is what allows us to have a business like the Keto Brick. If I didn't have him, I honestly don't know what I'd do or where I'd be. I cannot tell you how grateful I am for him and to be his partner in business, his partner at home, his partner for the rest of my life. We have like 9 or 10 months until we get married, and I honestly, like, people say it's the best day of their life, and it's not just going to be the best day of my life because my wedding's going to be awesome, but it's going to be the best day of my life because I literally am promising to spend the rest of my life with this man. And there's no one out there who's more determined and loyal, and there's just nobody out there that is as strong as this man is and as loving as he is. And he literally gives every single piece of him to everyone he knows, and people don't even know. You guys only see a fraction of what Robert does on a day-to-day basis. That I just hope you guys know that he literally spends every moment of every day working on bettering himself, bettering the business, to provide for you guys, to provide information and knowledge for you guys. And I hope everyone is so appreciative of him, and I want you to know that, like, I love him from the bottom of my heart, and I'm so grateful for him, and there really is just nobody better out there in this world. So anyways, it was just a random clip for the day, but I just thought you guys should know, and I just wanted to show my appreciation for him and love, because he deserves nothing but the best.
Alright, y'all, we're at the battleground, we're at the gym. I forgot my headphones, not in a good mood about that. I'm gonna have to make my own music up in there, y'all. Alright, y'all, we just got done doing a warm-up of extensions, hamstring curls, abductors and adductors, and now we're on the squat rack here. My shirt's dry. By the end of these squats, it's gonna be soaking wet. You watch and see. Alright, y'all, so I'm lucky enough to be at a gym where they have actual squat bars. This is a squat bar, meaning the knurling is a little bit wider than a standard bar, and the bar itself is 10 pounds heavier, and the bar itself is longer, so it kind of helps, you know, balance. You got more knurling to like get a grip on your back, plus it's 10 pounds heavier, so this is 325 instead of 315. Alright, going for 415 here. I'm doing like fewer reps, heavy weight, really solid form, so let's see if I make this perfectly clean.
Good. Keep going, keep going.
Crystal just got 245 for a solid rep. Good job, baby. Alright, y'all, I just did 435. Had a 10 on here. It wasn't quite as clean as I like it. We did squats, we did legs on Thursday, did Sunday today, and we did back, so deadlifts yesterday. So I'm definitely feeling those other workouts. Not to make excuses or anything, but I'm gonna drop this down back to 3 plates, back to 325. I'm gonna do another 5 reps kind of as a drop set, so let's get it. That felt good. I did a really close foot placement on those last 5, and I did a pause rep at the end there, but really good form. Concentrate on all the muscle fibers popping. I love it. In case you ladies out there want to learn how to build a booty, it ain't from doing those fancy band kickbacks and stuff. I'll show you. Deep, heavy squats. See that booty? That's how you build a booty. That's how you build a booty.
Alright guys, even though we did deadlifts yesterday, squats 2 days before that, we're still going to try and do some sumo dead. So here Robert goes.
Again, I want to point out, there's no bands building that booty. That's heavy weight, good form, rock solid.
Nice.
We don't do these near as often, and I've got a really bad habit of incorporating a lot more back than I should. This is predominantly for like your hip flexors, you know, but I'm so used to conventional deadlifts that I gotta break myself of that habit, but it's a work in progress.
Leg, leg, leg. Boom.
Alright, y'all, guess what we're doing? We're cutting our leg workout short because Crystal has a client call and she doesn't know how to tell time zone differences. That's the truth, right?
I just got messed up.
We're in Central Standard Time, and the call is in Eastern, and she did not know that that was an hour ahead.
I did know, I just...
So here we are, not doing our stiff-legged deadlift for hamstrings because Crystal screwed up. You sorry?
I'm really sorry.
We've decided to compromise. While Crystal makes a call, I'm gonna do the Stairmaster. Yeah, buddy. Woo! 20 minutes Stairmaster in the books, 10 minutes level 15, 10 minutes level 17. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. I'm sitting here in the gym. I got the man, Courtney, beside me. He is in peak week right now for his very first competition. One thing I like to do is somebody that's about to do their first show, get like a clip of what they're thinking, their mindset, before they step on stage so they can look back on it after the fact. So what is your mindset right now?
Man, my mindset right now is just, I've put in so much work, so much damn work. It's been like 26 weeks total. Like, this is what it all comes down to, and I'm not gonna screw it up. Like, I'm just not gonna screw it up. And if I cheat right now, I'm gonna feel like garbage. I'm gonna feel guilty about it. But next week, when I have a donut, I'm gonna feel really damn good. Like, I'm gonna feel awesome.
He's not keto, by the way. He's not keto.
No, I'm not keto. Sorry.
Is all the hard work and all the sacrifice worth it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm down 40 pounds total. This is the best I've ever looked. And my mindset too is this is setting me a good foundation to build on, where before I had a really crappy foundation and I was trying to build on that. And it's like, you can't be 225 and 25% body fat and try to get more size and stay lean. Like, you just can't. You got to get lean first. And so I feel like my foundation is where it needs to be now. So I'm excited. I'm excited for the future.
You're going to kill it. Good luck, brother.
You, Thanks, brother.
Alrighty, yo. I just got done recording a podcast, working on clients, more clients to work on, and writing 7 Sets Sunday. Crystal is packing up the fridge. How's it going there, Crystal?
On.
What are we about to do?
On the Little Rock.
Before?
Make some bricks all week.
Make some bricks all week. By the way, y'all, these boxes are all full of bricks. And we're going to make like 3 more of those stacks. So get ready. We're going to Little Rock to make bricks. You know what that means? It means a trip is longer than an hour. You know what that means? Means we're allowed to order a Starbucks.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hello, can I get 2 venti Americanos with steamed heavy cream, please?
Yeah, 2 venti Americanos with steamed heavy cream.
Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Have a good one.
You too.
Alrighty, haven't had a coffee in like 2 days. We need to make bricks more often if we get a coffee every time we make bricks. Alright, y'all, we're at Walmart getting gas right now. About an hour outside of the place. The more I eat these little cucumber sour things, the more I like them. They don't have near the sodium that a normal pickle does, so you don't have to worry about it causing you very much water retention. Alright, y'all, we're at Starbucks now. Wouldn't you know it? I got a decaf coffee this time. Still got some client work to do, so it's getting kind of late. I want a little something to warm up my insides, but Crystal got decaf too, so we're trying to be better. Let's hit the road. We are home, y'all. There's a horse way up there.
There's 3 of them. 4 of them.
You can only see the one though. We got Crystal. Too dark. How you doing, baby?
Good, I'm ready to go to bed. Macaroni!
Alright, let's unload. Alright, y'all, just got home, eating the yogurt. We got the dogs on the floor. Crystal's unloading the fridge. Mom's walking around in her pajamas somewhere. Alright, we'll catch y'all tomorrow.